Well, it is a bright and sunny day here in Joplin. We are downtown and we are joined by our friend Emily Frankowski, who we're seeing in person for the first time in a while. But
yes.
Emily, I'm happy to be able to talk to you this morning because we are outside of the future home of Connect2Culture.
Yes.
The Cornell complex, and construction's underway. This is really exciting.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, I mean, the future home of the arts right behind us, Spiva, Connect2Culture, Pro Musica, everyone, we can't wait. They, we're expected to be complete with the project by late 2022. So in just a few, less than a year,
Yeah.
I would say we're going to be entertaining people inside there. So it's definitely going to be different.
Emily, I know we have a ton of different events, performances, exhibits, class. I mean, you name it.
Yes.
They're all available, and every month we go over these. I want to go over some of the events and performances first. So let's start with performances.
Performances, why not? So, as you know, Connect2Culture usually has in-person performances. Right now, we're doing some online performances in collaboration with the Sheldon that's in St. Louis, Missouri. And for these, we have 3 different artists. We just finished up with Sarah Giroux. She's a great indie folk artist. And coming up is Zakir Hussain, who is sometimes called the father of classical world music. He's a master tabla virtuoso player, which is just amazing. I mean, the way he plays these special Indian drums, your hands might fall off. It's so fast and the rhythm is amazing. So this is one of the best tabla virtuoso players you'll ever see. So tune in, and it's free, and you don't have to register or anything. Just tune into Connect2Culture's YouTube channel at the appropriate time, and you're in.
So, all right, so let's move on to events. What events do we have coming up in the month of April?
Yes, the month of April is full of events, and I love April because it's National Poetry Month, and Connect2Culture, Post Art Library, and Pub Pound Press always do this collective, intentional effort to celebrate Poetry Month and the place of poetry in our lives and poets as well. And so we collect a variety of poetry-centric events going on, and then we actually add to it as well. Last year we couldn't do it because of COVID, but we're bringing it back. So there's things like a virtual reading by Harbor Poems, there's 1,000 Words at Spiva Center for the Arts, as well as Poem in Your Pocket Day. But open mic poetry night is one of my favorites. Basically, if you're a poet or you just love poetry, come and recite a poem that you love or one you've written. And so we're asking people to register this time, but that is definitely something to look forward April 23rd.
That is too fun. All right, hey, don't leave. We're going to keep going over some of the stuff happening in the month of April, okay?
Sounds good.
All right, we will be right back here on the KW Morning News after this.